Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Hey guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Windows 10 USB device, bootable USB for installation purposes. Okay, so before that you have to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification updates. Okay, you can see that I have 9563 subscribers. Okay, I need more. I'm just contributing my whole life on YouTube to YouTube. Okay, let us start. First, you can see a link in the description, video description, and you have to download this software, a tool. Just click download and you can download that and install. After that you just need to plug in a USB. I have done that. USB, plain USB. Okay, just opening the tool, Windows 7 USB DVD download tool, click that, just click OK. Just selecting the ISO file, don't worry about the ISO file, and I'm providing a link to download the Windows OS. Here I'm having the ISO file, Windows 10 all-in-one. Sorry, I don't have that much time, just using. Okay, click next, USB device, begin copying, erase USB, yes. Okay, just started. So guys, I'm just pausing this video. So guys, I just resumed the video and the bootable USB device created successfully. Just opening this PC, and here you can see that the USB is ready to use. Two versions, and you can use this bootable USB. So don't worry about the tool. You can download it from here, and I'm providing the link to download that. And I'm just providing the link to download the ISO file. So guys, please like this video, and this is the simplest method to done this. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel.